After a fire emergency, expenses are the last thing you want to worry about, but it is important to consider the financial costs and risks that are associated with or that can result from a disaster. The costs to repair fire damage can run from thousands of dollars to hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on the severity of the fire and the value of your home. Fire causes billions of dollars of property damage and loss each year. While these numbers may scare you, remember that ServiceMaster is here for you. For us, safety comes first. During the first inspection, we will identify and address potential safety hazards. These could be debris removal, the quality of the air, or even electrical hazards. During the service, electrical power may also be turned off and kept off until evaluation by a licensed electrician. Some projects may require the services of a plumber, a roofer, or a general contractor. Even though we will help you with repairs and filing with your insurance provider, ultimately you, the homeowner, are responsible for payment. Contact your insurance and mortgage companies for help understanding what they may require. Feel free to call us if you have any more questions or visit our website. Thanks for watching.